Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. So in today's video I'm going to be working with Dorsanee Hair Company, so I'm just showing you guys what I received. So I got 2 melt bands, a wig cap, some eyelashes, a bag that had the hair in it. So this is the wig. I got a 4x4 closure lace wig, and this was straight, so I'm just showing you guys the inside. We got some combs in the middle, at the back, an adjustable band, and I'm just showing you guys how the wig looks. So this was 180 density, and it was a closure wig that I will be turning into some bangs. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, continue watching. So my hair is already braided back into 6 straight backs, and I'm going in with my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm just spraying the middle portion of my hairline where the lace will be. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig cap. So when I put on my wig cap, I just like to slide it a little bit back behind my hairline. And then I'm going in with my concealer and my makeup brush, and I'm just going to conceal that front middle portion where the lace closure will be. And I will also be using this makeup on the lace as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on. So this is super simple, guys, super simple. So once I put the wig on, I'm just combing back the hair, and I will be cutting off the lace, the extra lace. So I'm using my scissors and I'm cutting it in a zigzag motion. Once I've done that, I'm taking my Ebin adhesive spray, and I'm just going to spray that along my hairline and then put the closure wig right on top of it and allow it to dry. So I will be using my Dorsanee melt band to just allow it to stay in place while it dries. So once that's done, I am going to remove the melt band because it is dried, and I'm going in with my Paris hair wax stick, and I'm just using that on the top portion of the wig and using my hot comb to flat it down, to just press it down, sorry, just to make it look flatter. And because it was a 4x4 closure wig, I didn't need to go in sections because I will normally go in sections when using my wax stick. And here I am just parting out the bangs. So this was a little TikTok hack that I seen with these bangs. So I did it basically in a triangle shape. So I started from my middle part, and then I went down diagonally just to get this bang, and it's kind of like in a triangle parting. So once I've parted it, I'm going to go ahead and cut the bangs as long or as short as you want to cut them. And then I am pulling the bangs towards the opposite side, and I'm cutting it, as you can see, and I'm going to do that to the other bang as well. And I'm using my finger as a guide. So this is my first time trying to do these bangs, because normally I would just do front bangs, but I wanted to try something different. So I did go ahead and start cutting into the hair to kind of make it blend a bit. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and start with my bangs. So I went ahead and curled it. As you can see, I'm curling it away from my face. I was trying to do those curtain bangs for the first time, but honestly guys, it just wasn't happening. It wasn't really happening for me. So I'm just doing my own thing at this point. So first things first, went ahead, curled the bangs away from my face and used a little clip to pin it. I wish I had a round brush, but I did not. So what I did was I used one of these curlers that I got from my Temu package. If you guys haven't watched my Temu unboxing, I got a lot of gems when it comes to my hair stuff. So I used one of these and I basically pinned up that bang. So I basically used 2 curlers and pinned up the bang, and it honestly helped me because it basically acted as my round brush. So I did that, and then I went ahead and started curling the rest of the hair. So once I finished doing my loose curls, I went ahead, took out my bangs. Guys, I wasn't really feeling it. I didn't know like what was happening. I'm not used to really doing bangs. So I went in with my flat iron and I just curled them under. I probably just curled them the wrong way, to be honest, to begin with. So I just curled them under and I started to play with it. And as I said before, these rollers came in handy because I did not have a round brush. So I do suggest getting a round brush if you want like that fluffy looking bang. It makes the job much easier. I basically use these rollers to like brush the hair. So I will be playing around with my bangs for a bit until I get them the way I want it to look. So I'm just trying to show you guys me trying to achieve these bangs did not come easy. Like, it was not easy, but I'm showing you guys, like, if you just go ahead and play with your hair sometimes, you know, try to get it how you want it, it will work out. So I was here playing with the bangs for a good while until I felt like I liked it. I wish I cut the bang shorter, but it's fine. I started to like it after a while, but this is basically how it looked. So this is it. You guys could tell the entire day I was playing with this hair, but I loved it. These bangs I would definitely do again. It was super cute. I love using closure wigs to do bangs. It makes the job so much easier. So shout out to Dorsanee Hair Company once again for sending over this wig and allowing me to try something different with it, because I was loving the style. I'm seeing these bangs all over the internet. So guys, if you are interested, all the wig details will be down in my description box below, so go ahead, check it out, and I hope you guys like the style. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feel about it. And yeah, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.